I'm printing some truck logos and phone numbers and DOT numbers for an install that we have coming up this week for Nebraska cranes and rigging. And we're printing it on reflective material. So at night when your headlights hit it, it'll shine and reflect and show up a lot nicer.
Last week, Katrina was talking to everybody about our install sheets that we use. The nice thing about these for us back here in the install shop is we can make it look exactly like the proof has on there by seeing different measurements and stuff that the girls give us, especially with placement. Like it says center here, it's kind of hard to see, but at least I know that, hey, I need to center it on this door. The really nice thing is that they give me a measurement from a point that's usually a straight edge. That makes it really easy for me to kind of get it where I need it to be. And then it's basically, it just makes the whole install a lot easier, runs smoother. And if I have any questions, they know exactly what I'm talking about. And the customer, you know, they get the product that they want out of it. One of the other upsides to this install sheet is we also keep track of who worked on it, how much time it took them. We also put the VIN number on it, so that way we know exactly what vehicle it is. But the nice thing too is we can go back and look at our records, who installed it, how long it took them, so then that way the next time this van is ordered or if they have another van like it, we can almost give them the exact time it's going to take to do it. The other thing that's nice about it is that Production Jordan checks over everything. And so that way I know everything is in this box for me to install and ready to go.
Working on Lincoln Tent is doing something for Windstar. We've done it before in the past, so they're just needing the same decal, a different size. So I'm working on setting that up. It's a pretty simple order. I just need to copy and paste over and then resize it so it'll fit on their new awning. So just working on that, setting up a proof with pricing for them.
Working on our new product that's going to be coming out here soon. It's the lower visor of the helmet. So instead of being the upper part, it'll now be one that's lower. So basically you have two visors now you can put on your helmet. Going through all our different designs that we do with the upper visor ones and basically making them for the bottom. So that way if you want to order kind of the same look both ways, it'll show up both ways. When you come out with a new product, you always got to test it and make sure it works. Like with this one, for example, I took a piece of vinyl, put it up on the visor, kind of drew how I wanted to go about it. The hard thing with a new product is making sure that it works for everybody, meaning making sure you get the right degree of kind of arc and stuff like that, making sure it's thick enough. With this bottom visor, most visors dip down more at the bottom than they do at the top, so it's not a nice even level. But yeah, otherwise it's a little bit more of a drastic arc compared to your top, but otherwise the look is going to look the same from your point of view. It's seeing it from an artist's point of view, it's a little bit different, but otherwise overall the design concept will look the same.
We are working on a wing wrap for Matt Etzelmeyer. He won this wrap in one of our competitions 2 years ago and needs to get a new wing wrap, so it's nice to just reorder. Same thing, we're getting ready to add some fluorescent to the wrap to pop a little bit more, so that's what we're working on right now.
Got anything to add, Jordan?
No, she said it all.
She did a good job. Yeah. Really.